So this is the VIX, and again, we have a corrective low due 725 to 912. We are in this corrective period right here in the VIX. So looking for likely one more dip down, and then for a bottom to form, and then for this to turn back to the upside. You can see rallies right now are not holding, and that really makes sense based on what we're looking at in the short term in the indexes is extremely positive patterns, and pullbacks continue to get bought. So, and that is obviously manifesting as rallies that continue to fail here in the VIX. If we look at the daily, again, last time we said this is basically biding its time, and that's really what it's doing in all likelihood. Just chopping its way lower, not really going meaningfully lower, but chopping its way lower over the past week or so. And that we're looking for just a bit more of that. That next low in the VIX is due 8.8 to 8.18. So in that timing, we would watch for the VIX to bottom and then start to turn up. Now, one thing I do want to know is just because the VIX bottoms doesn't mean it's going to have a sudden rally. A lot of times you see the VIX base for a period of time, very similar to this period right here, where you base for multiple days and then you get the move. Also like this area, you base for a period of time. This was a low, but you can see we had a week plus of just really chopping sideways prior to getting the impulse. So just stay open-minded to that possibility as well, where we could base for a while, allowing the market to really start to chop around prior to getting that next impulse to the upside here in IVs. So that's really what we are focusing on right now, is that we are still in this short-term as well as weekly corrective period in the VIX, and that is still a tailwind for the market, and likely implies still higher prices are coming there in the S&P, NASDAQ, and Russell.